Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve some problems in particular integral of f of d into y equal to x when x equal to sin x or cos x. దాంట్లో ఓన్లీ పర్టికులర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ అనుకోవాలంటే మనం పర్టికులర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం. ఇక్కడ సాల్వ్ అని ఇస్తాడు కాబట్టి రెండు మనం కంప్లీట్ సొల్యూషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలా. లెట్ us solve ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. హియర్ d square minus 1 into y equal to cos 3x equal to cos 3x. Therefore the auxiliary equation of the above equation is auxiliary equation ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ put d equal to m, so m square minus 1 equal to 0. here m square minus 1 square అనుకోవచ్చు, అయితే minus 1 రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ తీసుకుంటే ప్లస్ 1 అవుతుంది. m square equal to 1, there m equal to plus or minus 1, therefore the roots are real and distinct. Therefore the complementary function equal to c1 into a to the power of m1x plus c2 into a to the power of m2x. here c1 into e to the power of m1 take minus 1 into x plus c2 into plus 1 into x, that equal to c1 into e power minus x plus c2 into e to the power of x, the complementary function. Then the particular integral equal to cos 3x by d square minus 1. Here put d square equal to, where a equal to 3, so we substitute minus 3 square, that equal to cos 3x by minus 3 square equal to ఏమని రాయొచ్చు minus 9 minus 1. therefore cos 3x by minus 10 equal to minus cos 3x by 10. therefore the general solution is y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. therefore complementary function ఏమొచ్చింది ఇక్కడ c1 into e to the power of minus x plus c2 into e to the power of plus x plus complementary function అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ పర్టికులర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఏమొచ్చింది ఇక్కడ minus cos 3x by 10. this is the complete solution of the given differential equation. and let us solve another problem. here d square plus second one తీసుకోండి, d square plus 4 into y equal to cos x. therefore the auxiliary equation is m square plus 4 equal to 0. here m square equal to minus 4, then m square equal to 4 into minus 1 రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా. here minus 1 వాల్యూ ఏమని రాసుకుంటాం i square, 4 ఏమని రాస్తాం 2 square, that equal to 2 square into i square, that equal to 2i with plus or minus 2i. here the roots are complex number. here complex number form ఏంటి a plus ib. here i term ఉంది, మనకి రియల్ పార్ట్ లేదు, సో 0 plus 2i రాసుకోవచ్చు. we get alpha equal to, comparing it the standard form, comparing it with alpha plus I beta, we get alpha equal to 0 and beta equal to 2, that equal to 2i వచ్చింది కాబట్టి. therefore roots are complex number. then the complementary function equal to e power alpha x plus c1 into cos beta x plus c2 into sin beta x. here e power alpha x, where alpha equal to 0 into x into c1 into cos 2x plus c2 into sin 2x. Here we have e power 0 value 1. Since e power 0 equal to 1, substitute this value, something into 1 equal to something. Therefore, c1 into cos 2x plus c2 into sin 2x. A value is the complementary function. Then the particular integral equal to cos x by d square plus 4. Let's substitute, put d equal to, so d square equal to, where a equal to 1, that is minus 1 square equal to minus 1, that equal to cos x by minus 1 plus 4. Cos x by 4 minus 1 equal to 3 is the particular integral of the given differential equation. So the general solution is y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Then complementary function ఏమొచ్చింది ఇక్కడ c1 into cos 2x plus c2 into sin 2x plus particular integral equal to cos x by 3 is the general solution of the given problem. Let us solve another problem. Fifth one, d square plus 16 into y, d square plus 16 into y equal to cos 3x. Therefore, the auxiliary equation is m square plus 16 equal to 0, then m square equal to minus 16, then m square equal to 16i square, then m equal to 4i. Here comparing it with the standard form of complex number alpha plus I beta, where alpha equal to 0 and beta equal to 4. Therefore, roots are complex number. Then the complementary function equal to e power alpha x plus c1 into cos beta x plus c2 into sin beta x. Here substitute the alpha and beta values. Here e power 0 into x into c1 into cos 4x plus c2 into sin 4x. Here e power 0 value 1 into something. So c1 into cos 4x plus c2 into sin 4x. A value the complementary function. Then the particular integral equal to cos 3x by d square plus 16. Here put d square equal to minus a, where a equal to coefficient of x, the minus a square, where a equal to minus 3 square equal to 9, that equal to cos 3x by minus 9 plus 16, that equal to cos 3x by 16 minus 9, 7 is the particular integral of the given problem. Therefore, the general solution y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Therefore, y equal to complementary function ఏమొచ్చింది ఇక్కడ c1 into cos 4x plus c2 into sin 4x plus particular integral equal to cos 3x by 7. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. And remaining ఒక 2 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఈ మోడల్లో, మీరు ట్రై చేయండి, ఈజీగా వస్తాయి. That is d square minus 4 into y equal to sin x, and second one d square minus 4 into y equal to sin 2x. ఈ 2 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీరు ట్రై చేయండి, ఈజీగా వస్తాయి. చూడండి ఒకసారి. అండ్ కాంప్లిమెంటరీ ఫంక్షన్ మాత్రం రూట్స్ అండ్ రియల్ అండ్ డిస్టింక్ట్ వస్తుంది. c1 into e power minus 2x plus c2 into e power 2x. అండ్ ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ మీన్స్ -1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. హియర్ -2 స్క్వేర్ మీన్స్ -4 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. దెన్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ద ఆన్సర్.